Welcome back. We've got meteorologist Courteney Jacobazzi. You were on the hot seat all week with this weather forecast, and now I think it's easing up a little bit for you. I think people are going to be okay if you can get the rain out of here by Saturday.
Right, and it does. It looks mostly dry on Saturday. Now, some events, because, I mean, we literally have some from top to bottom across the Bay Area.
Yeah, we were trying to name them all.
Starting this afternoon, with festivals and concerts and...
Yeah, all over the place.
Yes.
Lots of things to do. If you don't have something to do this weekend, that's on you.
Yeah,
exactly.
Tampa Bay is serving it up for you.
Yeah, we have it's something for everybody between art festivals and there's some sort of like blues festival going on in Clearwater, if you like race cars. I mean, it's so fun. All right, let's talk about the forecast because that is the most important thing for all these events. The rain now shifting mainly into tonight, trending drier for the weekend. We're waiting on this front that's currently to our north, bringing some rain across the southeast, even some heavy rain at that. And I do think we have the potential for some heavy downpours, which will be much welcomed, even if it might impact some of your plans, because we really do need the rain. Here at home right now, we are dry. We did have a few showers very early this morning in Polk County, streamlining in with our southerly wind this morning. And I'm seeing a few showers offshore. Some of those might make it into the Bay Area late morning, so we'll be tracking that for you. But really what's impacting us right now is the moisture in place, developing some fog. We have patchy, dense fog on the periphery of the Bay Area here along the Nature Coast and inland. Nothing particularly dense with the exception of Brooksville, Hernando County, and Citrus County. You have some pretty dense fog at a quarter mile in Brooksville, half a mile in Inverness. Avon Park, you're down about half a mile, 3 miles of visibility in Lakeland. So it's probably looking a little hazy along that commute on I-4 this morning if you are traveling into or out of Polk County this morning. Give yourself a few extra minutes, especially if you live along the Nature Coast throughout Hernando County, places like Brooksville, Crystal River, Inverness this morning, because the visibility is reduced for you. Temperature is very mild. That southerly wind, again, pumping in that warmer, more moisture-rich air mass, giving us a mild morning. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s area-wide, 66 in Tampa, 66 in St. Pete, 69 in Sarasota, 61 in Wesley Chapel, 62 in Brooksville. Of course, one of the events, the Strawberry Festival, that goes all the way through March 8th. Have plenty of time to get out and enjoy that, but mostly cloudy skies expected today. Temperatures in the low 70s at noon. Will be in the mid to upper 70s later today. Maybe an isolated shower or storm this afternoon, especially inland, and we'll take you through Futurecast and show you what I'm talking about here. A few isolated showers and storms will be possible starting as early as 2 o'clock, especially for our inland communities east of I-75. So that could impact the Strawberry Festival. Most widespread rain rolls in after 5 p.m. Notice all along the Nature Coast up 75, rain likely. After 6 o'clock, rain will be more likely for the Tampa area. So it's going to be a close call for those truck races tonight over in St. Pete with some of the festivities for the Grand Prix. But if you have any plans across the area after 6 p.m., make sure you're bringing that rain gear with you. Rain will fizzle out overnight. And then again, that front is sinking south of I-4 tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, we're looking mostly dry across the Bay Area, and that's how it'll stay through the day. Most of the rain and storm activity stays south of I-4 tomorrow. Not going to rule out an isolated shower or storm in Polk County. So if you have Strawberry Festival plans tomorrow, just keep in mind it wouldn't be a bad idea to grab the umbrella or just look for somewhere that you can maybe wait inside for some of those showers to pass if they do develop. And Sunday, still trending mostly dry for us as well. And I do think we'll see more sunshine return on Sunday as well. Rainfall totals half an inch to maybe a quarter of an inch up along the Nature Coast, maybe over an inch of rain, much welcomed. And this front's not going to drop our temperatures, but it will drop our humidity a lot more comfortable. It'll be a great day for racing on Sunday. Marine forecast looks good at least first half of the day today. Light chop on the bay, seas 1 to 2 feet. 7-day shows that weather impact alert for the rain and storms rolling in tonight, trending drier through the weekend. Most of the rain south of I-4 tomorrow, mostly dry and staying warm through next week. All right, now it's time for a check of the roadways. Sarah Rosario has you covered with traffic. Starting to get a little busier this morning.
Yeah, I was just checking in with TPA to see how many delays and cancellations we have. Looks like we've got no flights that are canceled, but we do have 10 flights that are delayed right now. So if you are driving in and around the airport, safe travels to you. Traffic should not be slowing you down once you're getting to the airport. A reminder to check with your airline if you have travel plans today. So many things going on around the Tampa Bay area, kind of sad to leave, but if you have those travel plans, enjoy your time. Here's where we're going to see a lot of people kind of in that stop and go pattern, and this continues along areas of I-4, specifically those westbound lanes. If you're going to be driving west from Polk County into Hillsborough County, we got a little bit of a traffic congestion situation here for our drivers, and the fog is another thing that drivers north of that Hillsborough County line, Pasco, Hernando counties, even into Citrus County this morning, dealing with some foggy, limited visibility. Reminder to increase your following distance and to slow down. Courtney Campbell Causeway, Howard Franklin, Gandy Bridge, all up to speed. Good news as we get over our Bay Area bridges. Current crashes, we do have a couple we're keeping our eyes on here. This is one we're looking at for drivers I-275 northbound approaching Ashley Drive. We are seeing slowdowns through this area, and another one here, 102nd Avenue, North Bryan Dairy Road at 118th Avenue, northwest of 28th Street.
All right, Sarah, thank you.